Welcome to lesson number 4 of the Self-Mastery course. In the previous lesson, we talked about how your environment determines your habits and how you can benefit from it. Make sure to watch all the previous lessons to get the most benefits out of the course. I will leave the link in the description below so you can check them out. In this lesson, I will teach you how to make a good habit irresistible. One of the best ways to build a good habit is to make it as desirable as possible. The more attractive something is, the more likely is that you are going to do it. Usually, building good habits is tough because they are not attractive in the short term. Everyone would like to have an amazing body, have calmness of mind, and be super intelligent, but almost no one would like to exercise, eat healthy, meditate, or read. Thus, the need to make habits attractive. The first strategy is called temptation building. Temptation building states that you will find a behavior attractive if you get to do something that you enjoy at the same time. A couple of months ago, I wanted to make reading part of my morning routine. I've always liked coffee, and since I wanted to read in the morning, I decided to have my coffee at the same time that I'm reading. I also made it clear that unless I read, I would not be allowed to have coffee during the day. In this example, I paired the behavior I needed to do, reading, with something that I already enjoyed, which was drinking coffee. Ideally, you want both behaviors done at the same time. If this isn't possible, you want to do the thing you enjoy right after you finish the thing you need to do. For example, after calling 3 clients, you could browse Instagram. Or after meditating, you could eat your favorite cookie. The idea is to pair 2 behaviors, one that you want to make part of your life and one that you already enjoy. By the way, I created a guide with the most important information about how to develop good habits and break the bad habits that are keeping you stuck. You can get it for free with the link in the description below. The second strategy to make a good habit attractive is joining a community that already has the habit you want to build. Humans are tribal creatures. We are designed to bond and connect with the people around us. As a side effect, you will be inclined to adopt the behaviors that are normal in that community. We are sponges that absorb the qualities and practices of those around us. The famous motivational speaker Jim Rohn said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." If you pay close attention, almost everything you do in your life has been directly influenced by the people you spend the most time with. The closer you are to someone, the more likely you are to imitate their habits. If you want to build better habits, you can join a culture where your desired behavior is the normal behavior. This will make your habits easier and will help you transform your identity so that your behavior fits exactly with who you are. When I first joined a CrossFit gym, I took average care of my health. As the days went on, I found myself following a healthy diet. I was sleeping early, my happiness increased, and I was a more social person. The CrossFit culture is one of my favorites since most people are focused on personal growth and human connection. For me, building better habits was super easy once I joined a culture that promoted them. When a lot of people practice the same habits, those habits become sticky. That's the power of community and human connection. Leverage it and remember that it also works backwards. If you only hang out with people with negative habits, it will be just a matter of time for you to acquire them. The third strategy to make a good habit attractive is all about reframing your mindset. Every human has the same intrinsic motivations: conserving energy, obtaining food, finding love, reproduction, connection with others, external approval, reducing uncertainty, and achieving social status. You can make every good habit irresistible by relating it to some fundamental motivation. For example, if you want to get in better shape, you can associate with love and reproduction. Exercise and eating healthier will help you maintain a healthy body that will inevitably improve your sexual life. If you want to read and study more, you can associate with security and social approval. Learning more will give you specialized knowledge that you can use to get better jobs or improve your business. This will help you earn more money, which will bring more social approval to you. Every good habit can be linked to some form of innate human motivation. Thinking how your good habits will bring you the results you deeply want is one of the most effective ways to make your good habits stick for the long run. In the next lesson, you will learn how to make your good habits so easy that there will be no excuse to not do them. This course was inspired by the amazing book Atomic Habits. I will leave a link in the description below so you can get it for absolutely free by signing up to your audible.com free trial.